Good morning, friends. This is your Jagam sir, and welcome to our daily PVQ session. And today we are going to discuss question number 7 in IIT JEE Advanced Paper 1 2025. The question is about consider a system of three connected strings S1, S2, S3, S1, S2, S3 with uniform linear mass densities mu kg per meter 4. So for string 1 with mu kg per meter as linear mass density, and for string 2 4 mu kg per meter as linear mass density, and string 3 with 16 mu kg per meter, right? Now see here S1 and S2 are connected at the point P. At point P, S1, S2 are connected, whereas S2 and S3 are connected at point Q, and the other end S3 is connected to a wall, like this. Now, a wave generated at O, at this point, a wave is generated, is connected to the free end of S1. The wave from the generator is represented by given wave, that is y is equals to y naught cos omega t minus kx. This is generating at this point, centimeter. Very good. Right. Where y naught, omega, and k are the constants of appropriate dimensions. Which of the following statements are correct? Now, see here, by using v is equals to under root of t by mu, and V2 is equals to, this is for string 1, and which is equals to T by 4 mu. That means V2 is equals to 1 by 2 V1 for string 2. Similarly, V3 is equals to under root of T by 16 mu. That is 1 by 4 under root of T by mu, or V3 is equals to V by 4. This is for string 3. Clear better? Now, by using V is equals to omega by K, we can write K is equals to omega by V. Now, see here, for string 1, K is equals to omega by V as usually. Now, for string 2, K dash is equals to omega by, we got it as V by 2. That is 2 omega by V, which is equals to 2K. This is the wave number for second string. Clear beta? Similarly, for string 3, K double dash, let us assume, is equals to V, and velocity is here 4, V by 4. Then this becomes omega by V. Then K double dash is equals to 4K. This is the wave number for string 2 and 3 respectively. Wave number. Clear better? Now, next point is, see here, given wave equation, y is equals to y naught cos omega t minus kx. First point it is, and here at point P it is getting reflection and transmission, and the first sentence is when the wave reflects from P, that means from at point P wave traveling from rarer medium to medium to denser medium, denser medium, right beta? That means the reflected ray will have a phase change of pi. The reflected ray will have a phase change of pi. The first sentence is when the wave reflects from point P for the first time, the reflected wave is represented by C option A. Let us see for option 1 or option A. The reflected ray at point P is, see beta, if omega t minus kx means the wave is traveling in the rightward direction. So the reflected means the ray, sorry, the wave is traveling in the leftward direction. So we have to represent as y naught cos omega t plus kx and it has a phase change of pi. So plus pi, and they are representing for to make us to be confused with alpha 1. It is a positive constant beta, so forget about that one, and it is satisfying the answer A. So option A is correct. Then go for the option B. Option B. In option B, see better, when the wave transmits through P for the first time, the transmitted wave is represented by C transmitted wave from P. How to represent the transmitted wave from P better? See, y is equals to y naught cos omega t minus, see better, for S2 we had already found wave number as 2k, so 2k x. This is how we need to represent, but they are representing here, of course alpha 2 is a constant, forget about this, and they are represented it as kx instead of 2k, so option B is wrong. Then go for the option C. Option C. In option C, when the wave reflected from point Q for the first time, the reflected wave is represented by, again, reflected wave at point Q. See beta, for Q means wave number is at from 2k to 4k. That is y alpha 2, sorry, forget about alpha 2, and y naught cos omega t. Reflected means it has to move in the backward direction. That means I have to represent with plus 2kx, because for the medium S2, for the S2 thread, we will have 2k as the wave number and it is reflected, so it will get a phase change of pi. So our answer should be like this, and they are representing with the negative sign. That means they are saying it is moving in the forward direction, but the reflected ray means it has to represent in the leftward, means we have to keep it as definitely plus. So of course it is a positive constant, so our answer should be like this beta. So this will be the correct answer. So option C is also not correct. And the last one is option D. Let us verify option D. When the wave transmits through Q for the first time, that means transmitted from Q. Madam, what is transmitted from Q means? Y is equals to y naught cos omega t, transmitted moving in the forward direction, minus, and for the third thread wave number is 4kx. So and constant they keep it in, they are representing with the alpha 4, and actually this is the correct answer, and see it is exactly matching properly. So option D is also correct. Therefore required answer is A and D. And if you have any queries about these solutions or anything, if you are interested to learn, you just message me in our chat box in the YouTube. Then I will definitely give you a clear response. Have a great day. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye, beta.